Check out my channel for previous Tamil vowels lessons. Hello children, let's start with the Tamil vowels lesson 3 revision. Are you ready? In the previous lesson, we have learned Vu, Ulagam, world. Say with me children. Vu, Ulagam, world. And we have learned Vu, Oonjal, swing. Say with me. Vu, Oonjal, swing. Very good. Let's move on to the Tamil vowels lesson 4. Let's start with the 7th vowel. The 7th vowel is A. Say with me children. A. Say it again. A. A as in Eli, rat. A as in Eli, rat. Eli means rat. Eli means rat. Say with me children. A. Eli. Say it again. A. Eli. Very good. Let's move on to the 8th vowel. The 8th vowel is A. Say with me children. A. Say it again. A. A as in Eni, ladder. A as in Eni, ladder. Eni means ladder. Eni means ladder. Say with me children. A. Eni. Say it again. A. Eni. Very good. Let's move on to the 9th vowel. The 9th vowel is I. Say with me children. I. Say it again. I. I as in ஐந்து, 5. I as in ஐந்து, 5. ஐந்து means 5. ஐந்து means 5. Say with me children. I, ஐந்து. Say it again. I, ஐந்து. Very good. Today we have learned A, and I. Till now we have learned A, E, U, A, I. Are you happy? Parents, please note printable lessons and worksheets links are in the description. Please download it and help the children to learn. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Your encouragement is my motivation. Follow the Facebook page Tanglish for Kids for new video updates. Thank you.